Let's learn how to create a URL within a Moodle page, a website that we want the user to be able to get to easily to and from the Moodle page. The first thing we'll do is we'll go to the website that we want to add to our Moodle page, and I've got it in this tab here. It's the Apple website, and I'm going to make sure that's highlighted and copied with Command C. Then I'll go to the Moodle page and I'll turn editing on, and I'll pick Add an Activity or Resource, scroll down to get to the last one, URL, and click Add. Moodle forces you to put information in the fields where there is a red exclamation point. And the first thing that we're going to do is put our cursor into the external URL box and click in there to get our cursor in there and do Command V to paste in the URL. Moodle forces you to name it, and we'll name it Apple. And let's put a description for the user in there. And click this to display the description on the course page. Now here's the trick. We're going to use appearance. We're going to click that arrow to open up the appearance, and in this interior pull-down menu we'll click on those arrows and we'll choose in pop-up. The default number of pixels for the size of the pop-up is going to be just fine. Let's keep that as it is and scroll down and click Save and Return to Course. Now let's turn editing off again, and we'll see what a student sees when they open up the Moodle page. The student sees that there's a URL named Apple, and they simply click on it and they get a pop-up window. And in that pop-up window is the Apple website, which is for the student to use at their discretion and convenience. And the nice thing about this pop-up window, which is taking a little while to load, is that the student can click and drag it, put it somewhere on their screen, resize it a little bit, look at that website, and when the student is done, all they have to do is click X to close the pop-up window, and they're right back at their Moodle page. They don't get booted out of Moodle, and they don't have to log back in. And that is the correct way to create a URL in a Moodle web page.